How to get the dynamic photo filters. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dynamic photo filters. So first thing you're gonna do is go to your TikTok application. Now go to plus button at the center up there. Now you have that option called effect, but I can see this filter on my effect. So what I'm gonna do is go back and tap on discover, go to search dynamic, tap dynamic photo. Now you can see the effect, but if you can see the effect like this, if you can see the effect, you can just tap on one of those videos like this. Now you see the dynamic photo, tap on that filter. Now you can see try this effect, tap on there and try the effect. And this is it. Hope you liked the video and don't forget the like and the subscribe.